Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the Greenbo self-watering flower pots 5-piece planter set. And out of the box it comes with 5 planters ranging from medium to small. It comes with 5 wicks for soaking up water. It comes with 5 side pillars for easy watering and 5 reservoir plates. To assemble the planter, insert the peg on the reservoir plate into the groove on the planter pot and twist. Add your watering tongue and don't forget to put the wick in the 2 holes at the bottom of the planter before adding your soil for the self-watering mode. I purchased this for my dad as a retirement gift because he's wanting to grow specific flowers to attract hummingbirds. The wick draws the water into the soil to prevent over-irrigation, and the drainage holes will help prevent over-soaking or even root rot. Also, the best part of this is the side fillers, so it will make it easier for him to water his plants as he gets older. If you're looking for a durable planter that is classic enough not to go out of date on a wallet-friendly budget, I strongly recommend the Greenbo self-watering flower pots.